T-Mobile home internet users sometimes encounter error codes that can disrupt their connectivity. Today we'll explore the 3 most common and problematic error codes that affect T-Mobile gateway devices. The WAN002 error code signifies a wide area network connection failure. This means there's a loss of connection between your gateway device and T-Mobile's network infrastructure. This error can be triggered by network congestion during peak hours, tower maintenance or outages, gateway hardware malfunction, or SIM card authentication issues. The WAN005 error code indicates a WAN configuration or authentication failure. This points to problems with network authentication or IP address assignment. Common causes include incorrect APN settings, account provisioning issues, network protocol conflicts, or firmware corruption. The CEL002 error code signals a cellular signal connectivity problem, meaning there's poor or unstable cellular signal reception. This can be caused by physical obstructions blocking the signal, distance from cell towers, weather interference, or gateway positioning issues. Understanding these 3 error codes, WAN002 for network connection failures, WAN005 for authentication problems, and CEL02 for signal issues, helps identify the root cause of connectivity problems with your T-Mobile home internet service. Let's start with troubleshooting the WAN002 error, which indicates a wide area network connection failure. This is the most common error and usually has straightforward solutions. Step 1 is power cycling your gateway. This simple restart often resolves temporary connection issues by refreshing the network connection. Step 2 involves checking T-Mobile's network status page to verify there are no local outages or maintenance activities affecting your area. Step 3 focuses on SIM card troubleshooting. A loose or dirty SIM card can cause authentication failures that trigger WAN002 errors. If all previous steps fail, Step 4 is performing a factory reset. This should be your last resort as it will erase all custom settings. Now let's move on to WAN005 error troubleshooting. This error typically involves configuration or authentication problems that require more technical solutions. Step 1 for WAN005 is checking for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause authentication and configuration conflicts. Step 2 involves verifying your APN configuration. The access point name must be set correctly for T-Mobile's network to authenticate your connection. Step 3 is contacting T-Mobile to verify your account status. Sometimes provisioning issues on their end can cause authentication failures. Finally, let's address CEL002 errors, which are cellular signal connectivity problems. These often require physical adjustments to your gateway placement. Step 1 is repositioning your gateway. Signal strength can vary dramatically based on location, so finding the optimal position is crucial. Step 2 involves using T-Mobile's coverage map to identify the nearest cell towers and optimize your antenna orientation accordingly. Step 3, for persistent signal issues, is considering an external antenna. This can significantly boost signal strength in challenging locations. T-Mobile has been actively improving their network infrastructure, with recent gateway models featuring better error handling and automatic recovery protocols. These improvements have significantly reduced error frequencies across all 3 error types.